Do it. Why they stuntin' on us? Like we ain't fucking them up. Fuck them niggas, they know how we bummin'. If I say it's up, then it's stuck. And we ain't squashing no beef. I ain't sending messages, I'm just catching bees. I ain't gon' diss them, but I won't smoke. I don't care if they want it with me.
What it do, man? This your boy Vonno, man, and I'm back with another reaction video, man. Hey, in today's video, man, we got Baby Glock, Gen5. Hey, this is a video y'all requested, so I have to bring y'all this video, no cap. But if y'all new to my channel, make sure y'all like this video up, subscribe, and share this shit with everybody. Comment down below what y'all want to see next, and I'm gonna get on it. DBM Cartel, we finna take over this shit. Y'all just stay tuned and keep up on folks from the grade. I know I ain't gotta say too much from game. Go over it. We get over after. Let's see what Baby Glock talking about. I know Shorty young as hell. I forgot he's from 757. On gang, I forgot he's from 757. Ain't he like 14?
Shooters on the low end, we ain't hard to fact, watching fact, it's a nag, get the bustin' at his back, DJ thirsty, he don't go, you can see it in his eyes, beat this bitch, he dropped his low, got them dudes ready to slide, blitz that bitch,
he said I got them dudes ready to slide on folks now.
Watching fact, it's a nag, get the bustin' at his back, DJ thirsty, he don't go, you can see it in his eyes, beat this bitch, he dropped his low, got them dudes ready to slide, blitz that bitch, Glock out hot, I dumped the clip, cause no sailor bro be cool, but I keep knocking down the bricks, chase him down, spot him down, folks keep dumping in his wood, 30 telling, zipping, slipping, Star Wars pressed against the gift, man down, on this block, my eyes be bumping out the car, I switch this bitch fact that it's top, he try to run and make it far, we be slime, Uber Eats, like a hype bitch, I'm a creep, hop up on you, think it's dead, I put this bitch up COG, headshot them 308s, removed his head onto the sea.
Shorty remind me a little more, I need a song with him a little more ASAP, on folks from grade, y'all already know.
A decent bitch, I call her in, cause she be thuggin', she a G. Hellcat, SRT, this ain't no Honda or a G. Spirit, get close up on him, left him slump like you asleep. Watch some shots be through his chest, his granny stroke a C to C's. It ain't nothing to clock a nigga, worldwide, some like TV. Call him loafin', pick him up, he try to trade it, get him clock. I'm a side, I'm down the right, I feel like D-Rose in his prime, bitch.
I feel like D-Rose in his prime too.
Walking with a hoe, he was 14 moving wrong, check Lucy on the floor. God was with him, he ain't go.
Hold on, little folks. Hold on, Shorty.
I'm down the right, I feel like D-Rose in his prime, bitch. Caught him walking with a hoe. He was 14 moving wrong. Check Lucy on the floor. God was with him, he ain't gone. Pray the Lord that he was there, but I looked up, I was wrong. Gang shooters on the low end. We ain't hard to fact, watching fact, it's a nag. Get the bustin' at his back. DJ thirsty, he don't go. You can see it in his eyes. Beat this bitch, he dropped his low. Got them dudes ready to slide. Blitz that bitch, Glock out hot, I dumped the clip. Cause no sailor bro be cool, but
hey, y'all shorty be hey, these shorty be jumping out the porch early as hell, folks. I'm telling y'all, these niggas be jumping out the porch early as hell. It's sad, but shit. Folks go crazy though. I was just on his. I had just seen his Instagram snippet a couple days ago too. I was scrolling through Instagram. I seen his shit pop up. I think this song old, but he got some newer shit. But that's the end of that video? Yeah, that's the end of that video right there. Hey, if y'all fuck with that shit, go check it out. If not, go about y'all day. The original link will be in the description though. More reaction coming soon. Y'all just stay tuned. No cap on folks in the grade.